வாரத்தின் நாட்கள். Okay kids, வாரத்தின் நாட்கள் எத்தனை? Everybody say, வாரத்தின் நாட்கள் எத்தனை? Yes, வாரத்தின் நாட்கள் 7. அவை come on. ஞாயிறு, திங்கள், செவ்வாய், புதன், வியாழன், வெள்ளி, சனி. Okay kids, what day is today? So what day is today? What Tamil day is today? Yes, today is வியாழன். Everybody look at this board. See ma'am, I have written வியாழன் on this board. See here, வியாழன். See, while you writing your Tamil note, everybody first you tell your mummy to write that day, or else you, with the help of your mother, you have to write this Tamil day in your note, as well as you have to do the calendar activity. So daily when you see the calendar, you can know the Tamil day as well as English day also, you know. Yes, so you see the calendar and you have to circle that day. Okay kids? Next, ma'am, I am going to sing the Kavarisai and Navarisai song. Already we sang, you know. Come on, let's sing first Kavarisai and Navarisai. Okay kids? Kaka, kiki, kuku, keke, kai, koko, cow. Let's repeat once again. Come on. Kaka, kiki, kuku, keke, kai, koko, cow. This is a Kavarisai song. Let me repeat once again. Come on. Kaka, kiki, kuku, keke, kai, koko, cow. Okay kids? Next we learn Navarisai. Navarisai. You have to produce the sound from your nose. Okay kids? Everybody say Navarisai. How to sing a Navarisai? It's like an elephant action. So first one is it's like a crow action. See here, ma'am, I stand and sing first. See here, come on. So for Kavarisai, you have to do the crow flying action. See, kaka, kiki, kuku, keke, kai, koko, cow. Next, for Navarisai, you have to do the elephant action. See, no, you have to touch your nose and you have to sing the Navarisai. Okay, kids, see here. Let's sing once again. Come on. Okay kids, ma'am, I finished 2 Varisai song. You also take practice at your home. Okay kids, come on. First let ma'am repeat the Navarisai எழுத்துக்கள். See here. See, everybody copy this Varisai in your Tamil note. Did you copy? Yes. See here. Ingu plus a, nya. Everybody say ingu plus a, nya. Ingu plus a, nya. Ingu plus e, ni. Come on, repeat. Ingu plus e, ni. Next, ingu plus e, ni. Next, see here. Ingu plus u, nu. Ingu plus u, nu. Ingu plus u, nu. Ingu plus a, ne. Ingu plus a, ne. Ingu plus I, nai. Ingu plus o, no. Ingu plus o, no. Ingu plus ow, now. Okay kids, so daily how to take oral practice for Kavarisai and Navarisai. Okay kids, next let's move on to Tamil written part. Yes, see here. So every day we are writing the மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள், you know. Yes, already we finished from ik to il. Ik, கொக்கு, இங்கு, சங்கு, இச்சு, அச்சு, இஞ்சு, ஊஞ்சல், இட்டு, லட்டு, 3 சுழியின் கண், இத்து, பத்து, இந்து, பந்து, இப்பு, கப்பல், இம், பம்பரம், இ, பால், Chinnayil, There, Gundiyil, Will. Up to Il we finish, So, next we are going to see the letter U, Sevvalai. Everybody say U, Sevvalai. See how to write this letter? See, you have to put the circle in the second blue line. So every day while you write the circle, you should be in a rightward direction. See, don't go back the backward direction. You have to do the rightward direction. So this is the first step. After the circle, you have to keep your pencil here. You have to do the curve and touch the first blue line and come and touch the second blue line. You come and touch the second blue line. See here, circle, curve and go up, come down. Next you do the curve, see, after the curve, you have to do the sleeping line. You have to do the sleeping line. Next, see, curve, circle, curve, sleeping line. Next, last step, you have to do the standing line. Next, you have to put the dot on this letter. See, you have to put the dot between these two gaps only. See, you cannot put here. You have to put the dot between this gap. See, U, Sevvalai. Okay, kids. Ma'am, let me write. See, circle, curve and touch the first blue line and come down. Next, sleeping line, then standing line. Next, you put dot here. This is U, Sevvalai. So for the first step, you need to put a circle. You need to put a circle in a rightward direction. Next, after the circle, you have to do the curve. See here, curve. Next, after the curve, you have to do the sleeping line. Sleeping line. After the sleeping line, you have to do the standing line. Okay, kids. Next, you have to put the dot. This is U, Sevvalai. U, Sevvalai, Sevandi. Okay, kids. See, already you know this letter, how to write. But only thing that you are writing this letter in 2 lines note. Okay, kids. Everybody, you should write in a perfect way how I ma'am taught you. Okay, kids. You have to copy this letter in your Tamil note, only half page. Okay, kids?